Here at Urban Loop Studio, we can help you design your dream home. Not only can we help you design your dream home, we can also help you create the floor plans that you need that will help you obtain a permit, obtain pricing, as well as give your builder the information they need to build it. In addition, we help you pick out all of the materials that will go on the exterior, if it's brick, concrete, or whatever other material you choose you want to use. Once we help you discover what the design of your house looks like, then we'll move on to the inside. Here, we can zoom into each room and begin designing the interiors and follow a similar process of the design process that we went through with the exteriors. So on each room, we can begin to look at the cabinet pieces, the plumbing fixtures, where the materials will be located, and we'll even help you keep track of all the materials and what they look like together. We can also help you keep track of what the pricing looks like on this, on the materials, and as well as create the floor plans to help the contractor price it and build it, as well as the city officials to understand if we're meeting code and obtain your permit. Sometimes our clients will even ask us to discover what furniture options are available for their space to make sure it all looks seamless from the exterior, interiors, and decor. Our clients have left us 5-star raving reviews across many platforms. If you look at Houzz, we have reviews. We have Thumbtack 5-star reviews. On Yelp, we have 5-star reviews. And with so many clients trusting us to do the amazing work of designing your dream home, why not go with a trusted professional with all 5-star reviews, backed by dual degrees in architecture? Poonam Patel is the founder and lead designer of Urban Loop Studio. She has a passion for designing environments that help individuals thrive, especially during quarantine. Your environment should help you live in tandem with your lifestyle, functionally as well as aesthetically, setting the foundation for your success, for your relationships, for your mood, and for your well-being. So take a look at our website and book one of our services soon.